There's the dry fit of the timing cover onto the engine block, and the timing cover just goes like this, and the oil pan will go on next, and then they'll connect with these 4 bolts right here. And it's critical you put timing cover on first because they connect together. We have the engine up on an engine jack, and it'll make it a lot easier for the oil pan and timing gasket install. And I'll show you guys all different parts and tools you're going to need. So here's the physical timing cover, the oil pan, the 2 gaskets. So this long gasket right here will go around this perimeter right here for the oil pan, and then this gasket will go on the timing cover. Here are all the different bolts you need. So you need these 4 bolts to attach the timing cover to the oil pan, which will go through these holes. And there's 4 of them, and 2 of them are longer and 2 of them are shorter. And I'll show you why they're different sizes. There's also these 4 nuts and 4 lock washers, which will hold on the timing cover on these studs. There's also these 16 smaller bolts here, which will attach the oil pan into these holes going around the perimeter. And there's also these 4 bolts that attach the timing cover to the engine block as well, which go through these 4 holes right here. Before you install the timing cover onto the engine block, you want to make sure you replace this seal that goes where the pulley is going to go. So you just take this one out like that and make sure to degrease this, and then we'll put the new one in. And then with the brand new seal right here, we will install it with this spring right here facing outward, so towards you guys, and just stick it in. We just used a 2x4 and a trusty old hammer and just smashed it in.
Pretty well seated.
We use Forma gasket number 2, non-hardening, and for this application, it works the best. Four lock washers and 4 nuts on these studs. There's 3 on this side, and there's 1 in this far corner right here. And then these 4 bolts just have 4 bolts with lock washers and nuts. It's the same process now. We're just gonna add the number 2 Forma gasket onto the oil pan. Make sure you line the holes up.
Yeah, you gotta line the holes up. That's always a good idea. There's the old sump hanging there. And there's 2 longer ones that go on the outside, 2 shorter ones in the inside. The way it's makes room for it to thread. So now we'll tack on a few in the back side.
We're snagging a few bolts here.
So again, you can see this is a bit of a challenge if you're laying on the ground.
So as per the manual specs, it says to torque it to approximately between 10 and 15 foot-pounds.
Complete, and that's how you do it. It makes it much easier when you can spin the engine around. And we'll probably just take a little bit of this excess, run our finger over that.
And there you have it. The timing cover and the oil pan gasket job is complete.